welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Janie, and if you're new here, I do videos on Squishmallows, Squishables, Build-A-Bear, Loungefly, Sanrio, basically anything that I think is cute. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps this channel out. And today we're talking about Build-A-Bear. So if you've ever been on the Build-A-Bear website, you know it's cute, has a lot of options for kids of all ages, obviously adults as well, because anyone could love a stuffed animal. But there is a specific section within Build-A-Bear called the Bear Cave, which is like Build-A-Bear after dark. Essentially, it's just like Build-A-Bear options with some alcoholic drinks or like alcoholic beverages, cocktails, champagne, wine. Sometimes they have like beer stuff, like I don't recall, but it's an after dark section. Maybe the bears have slightly skimpier outfits, but every time you click on it, it'll ask you to confirm your age and stuff. So I took a look over there. I was looking at some of their holiday items and I picked up this bundle right here, which I want to talk about because it is the cutest thing in the world. So yeah, let's go through it. Let's see what we have here and then we'll put all the pieces together. So this is Barkleigh. She is a standard bear that you can get separately, and I think she is so cute. I have never noticed her before, but there's something about her floppy ears that are so nice. The color, the fur is super shiny and very soft. So this as a standalone bear is beautiful. It's so cute. I'm surprised I never noticed her before. She looks a little bit like Paulette, but Paulette is a bunny. And this is a dog, obviously. And also the fur, like I said, on this bear is so much softer. It's like richer, it's softer. It's not itchy in any way. And again, the floppy ears I think are so adorable. So you can get this separately. Because I purchased this in the bundle, a lot of the items don't have a price on it. They've just been like wiped off. But sometimes you can get items obviously individually. Build-A-Bear sells a lot of apparel, shoes, accessories. So it's always worth taking a look, especially as we enter into the holiday season. Those things are going to be heavily discounted, and then in January even more so. So if I don't tell you a specific price for something, it's because it's not on the label or I can't find it on the website. Barkleigh, adorable. She's a cutie pie. Just I can see myself putting a lot of different outfits on her just because she's just the sweetest little thing. I'm gonna put on her Christmas sweater. Look how cute this is. This is like a cable knit sweater and it has these cute Christmas lights on it. They are very sparkly. Sometimes it's easy to feel silly when I buy these bundles because it's like, this is kind of looks like baby clothes. And I know sometimes people go thrifting for baby clothes for their Build-A-Bears, which is something I didn't realize until actually recently when I was looking at some influencers or like content creators in that niche. But I think that's really interesting. But there was also a lot of people who were kind of annoyed. They're like, you should save that for actual kids. But I don't, you know how I feel about kids. Okay, so here's the sweater. Oh, it is just, it's so cute. I don't know. It's just something so classic. So fun. The sweater says Tipsy Elves on it. So I'm assuming this is a line just for like Bear Cave like I was telling you about. Super cute. Now we're going to put on this leather skirt. It's just something that is stretchy. So I'm just going to put it on. And there is a hole at the back where you can slip the tail in. Okay, the skirt is on. I did slip her tail through the hole. And it's looking really cute. So we have the sweater, the skirt, and now we're going to put on the booties. Here's what they look like. They are in fact heeled. They are that material that can get a little bit full of dust bunnies. But how cute is that? I don't typically buy shoe wear for any of my Build-A-Bears because I feel like it's a waste of money, but this came in the bundle and it's actually quite cute. So I'm going to put it on her. I'm hoping these are easy to put on because I definitely took a long time with the skirt, but it adds a little bit of packaging. Yeah, I think they just slip on, but there's some paper in here, so let me remove that. It also says Build-A-Bear in the bottom. This is so cute. I would have loved this as a kid. I didn't get to go to Build-A-Bear until I was 16 years old because I don't even think my parents even knew this existed. I feel like this is going to be a struggle because look how small that is and look at her foot. It wasn't as hard as I thought, but I kind of feel like it doesn't look cute. Let's put the other one on. So they're on, but I don't really like it. I feel like it looks really bulky and I try to squeeze in as much as I can. There's no other opening. It's not like it's zippered or anything or like Velcroed. I just feel like it's like when you try to wear longer length boots but you have like thick calves. That's what I'm getting right now. But nonetheless, we're just gonna continue on to the next part of her outfit, which is the headband. Here it is. It's a red knit headband. Super cute. So I'm gonna take the tag off, put it on her. This is my favorite part. I'm just gonna double check the picture because I don't remember how it goes. She is so cute. Look at that. Yeah, that's fine. I had to like double check that. So that's her with her headband. We're getting it together. And now, last but not least, her little eggnog cocktail. This might actually be my favorite part. I recently had eggnog for the first time in my life. Actually not recently, last year. That's my first time. I didn't even know what eggnog was. Alright, there you have it. That's the complete outfit. Let me just take a step back. Alright, so overall, I think she's cute. These bundles do go on sale often. I think full price they're like $60 or something. I'll put it right here. They're on sale currently right now. I don't even remember how much I paid for this. I don't even want to really think about it if I'm being honest, but I will look through my receipts and I will find it. And I'll put it right here as well. But I think she's cute. I was going to say if you're a kid this is extra cute. But if you're a kid it's in a section that you're not supposed to technically have access to. But I mean, eggnog is eggnog. I guess it's just because it's spiked, but it's cute. It's fun. I like it. I like this bear. Like this bear, Barkleigh is cute as heck. Like those ears, honestly, are like the best part of this. And the freaking sweater. The boots, I could do without. I think it looks funny. I think it looks weird. And that's what I say, that I always think that's just a ripoff to do shoes, especially if you have a four-legged animal. And they also tend to fall off. Maybe not the sneakers, like the high tops, but I don't really like the boots. I just think they look too small on her. And they're not going to have different sizes. But yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, let me know what you think about this bear. Have you ever checked out the Build-A-Bear adult cave thing? Let me know all your thoughts down below. And that being said, I will see you very soon with another video. I am uploading more frequently for the month of December since I can't really do Vlogmas like I have in the past couple years. So yeah, if you made it to the end, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you. And until next time, bye.